FDA-approved saliva testing for COVID-19 is that simple. Health experts say the new test will be cheaper and more readily available. AU Health recently submitted plans to the FDA to do saliva testing here. News Channel 6's Devin Johnson shows us how it could be a crucial component in the fight against COVID-19.
There's a need for diagnosing COVID-19. There's a new saliva test that's much easier to use and a lot less painful than the nasal swab test.
The collection is going to be really rapid as well as easy on the people, number one. Number two, the processing saliva is relatively simpler than processing with nasopharyngeal swab.
To determine whether someone is infected with COVID-19, the FDA is issuing an emergency use authorization to the Yale School of Public Health for its Saliva Direct COVID-19 diagnostic test. The new test is expected to open the door for wider testing. Researchers at the Medical College of Georgia say the saliva test is more effective than the nasal swab test.
The virus is present way back in the nose, and when you're taking the stab or taking the swab, if you're not reaching to that region, you might not taking the good quality swab.
Dr. Colhay is the director of the Georgia Esoteric and Molecular Laboratory at AU. The GEM lab has tweaked its research and is waiting for approval from the FDA for its saliva diagnostic test. Dr. Colhay tells me research has shown saliva to be more efficient when detecting the virus.
We conducted all those studies and showed FDA that saliva is a very stable sample, and we have shown that it actually is stable for a couple of weeks in the container we are collecting the saliva in.
This new method of testing could be vital to monitor the health of folks whose jobs require them to interact with crowds of people.
There are still people who haven't been tested purely because they don't want to get nasopharyngeal swab. I think those kind of population will be very easy to capture and do a mass screening with saliva.
And Dr. Colhay tells me if the FDA greenlights their testing product, then saliva testing will be done at the Medical College of Georgia. In Augusta, Devin Johnson, WJBF, News Channel 6.
Research